The most exciting drone releases of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. As DJI continues to set the standard in drone technology, the Mini 5 Pro emerges as a game-changer, packing advanced features into a sleek and compact design. Whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast, a professional content creator, or a hobbyist looking to explore the skies, the Mini 5 Pro is designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. In this in-depth article, we will explore the key features that make the DJI Mini 5 Pro stand out from its predecessors and competitors. 1. A sensor beyond expectations. One of the most significant upgrades of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its enhanced sensor. This sensor is notably larger than the one found in its predecessor, promising to deliver superior image quality. A larger sensor translates to more light being captured, which means better performance in low light conditions and broader dynamic range. This feature is crucial for capturing the subtle details in landscapes, the richness of colors in cityscapes, or the complexity of textures in architectural shots. The Mini 5 Pro sensor will allow users to shoot in varying lighting conditions without compromising on the quality of the footage, ensuring that every shot is packed with detail and vibrancy. 2. Smooth cinematic shots with advanced stabilization. The ability to shoot smooth and cinematic footage is vital for both amateur videographers and professionals. The DJI Mini 5 Pro steps up its game with advanced stabilization technology. This technology ensures that your footage remains stable and shake-free, even when navigating through challenging environments or experiencing slight turbulence. Whether you're capturing a sweeping landscape or a fast-moving subject, the Mini 5 Pro guarantees that your video footage will remain steady and cinematic. This feature is particularly beneficial for those looking to create professional quality content without needing a separate gimbal or stabilizing equipment. 3. 4K video quality reimagined. The Mini 5 Pro takes 4K video to a new level, boasting enhancements that include